Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert and remove a battery from Bosch GMS 120. To do this, first we'll need to power off our device, since I'll be removing the battery first. So click on this red button right here and it should power down. Then we can look on the back of our device, and here we can open the slot by pulling it upwards and pressing on the button. Inside you can find the battery, so simply pull it out like this from the bottom, and now it's removed. You can close the hatch or replace it with a different battery. Now in case you want to insert the battery, we'll need to align it with these two slots, and it should go in like this, so the wider circle on the left and a smaller circle on the right. And first let's go with the circles, and then we can insert the battery, close the hatch and power on our device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.